We talk of shipping, we talk of offshore exploration, oil and gas, mineral exploration. Tell us a little bit about all of these potential possibilities where tomorrow's jobs can be created.
Sure. I think one thing that I forgot to tell in the beginning itself that even before we ask question why ocean engineering, the first question should be why ocean.
Why ocean?
Yeah. So I think engineering comes later on. The involvement of the human is the one that brings engineering. Otherwise, why ocean is very important actually for all of us to understand. There are two reasons I think I usually mention in almost all the audience and forum. One strong reason is that every second breath that you take in this world is coming from ocean. In case if you think that the trees that we planted and the tree plantation drive that we do is the one that brings oxygen, you please stand corrected. Every second breath that every single human being of this globe is taking the oxygen from ocean.
Yeah.
Bottom line, I think we should thank, if not worship the ocean every day for our existence. The second point, another interesting point, is the day-to-day weather that you enjoy when you walk out of this room and the long-term climatic conditions. These two are completely controlled 100% by the oceans, not by the land mass that we are all living in.
Yeah.
So for these two reasons, even if somebody is living in a landlocked country, I don't have any ocean surrounding, so I don't have to thank, they should stand corrected.
Yeah.
For oxygen and for the very weather condition that is prevailing, even if it is a landlocked country. So for this two reasons, good reasons, every human being should thank the oceans. And this I think pays the bottom line, the foundation for all of us to actually cherish the surrounding of the oceans that helps us. Secondly, right from the humankind evolution process, we always lived along the waterline, the so-called water resources.
Either a river or a sea coast.
This is another bottom line.
Correct.
I think if you look at the human evolution, the population, over the time grown in this entire, set of planets that we have defined, that I think we have grown from those water masses. And we recently, all the so-called, the latest time that we started using a term called blue economy.
Yes.
So the blue economy right now, the country like us, the maritime nation like us, 4% of our GDP is coming from the blue economy.